Mga paa.
You're a cat.
Ilalim yung...
You're a cat.
Ilalim yung...
You're a cat. You're a cat.
You're a cat.
You're a cat. You're a cat. You're a cat. You're a cat.
Yung mga paa.
You're a cat. You're a cat. You're a cat. We know. We know it already. I'm a dog.
What is it?
Dog.
I'm a fish.
You want me to tell you? I'll tell you when someone gets hurt.
You're a...
I hope you brought makeup here so we can...
You know kahit kailan.
Okay?
How come I di kita
You know what that means? Malalaman mo. You know.
Someone know what
Kahit kailan. Kahit means any or even. So in this case it means any. And then kailan. Kailan. When?
Di ba di malabad ang ulo?
You know, anytime. Anytime. You know, anytime. Hold hands. Narito ako.
Is it because I keep asking her?
Hold hands, I will not leave
Oh my god, what is it?
Please pick up the phone.
I will not leave you in your journey. In this world of nothing.
Because Jenny's leaving.
Hold hands, I will not leave you in this journey. In this world of nothing. Hold hands. I will not leave you in this journey. In this world of nothing. In this world of nothing. Hold hands. Hold hands. Hold hands. In this world of nothing.
He's never watched an episode of
Feel.
Heavy teacher,
I'm so happy
He doesn't want to see it.
of your problem.
Yeah, he's amazing.
Sometimes I have a hard time
Yeah.
saying I can't do this
But
anymore.
it's exaggerated.
Just look at life. Maybe someday
Yeah, dude.
you will masumpungan.
Because it's so
Or maybe,
everything.
or maybe,
Yeah, I thought it was
I
really
will
good.
I'll,
Watch it.
you will know
anytime.
anytime. Hold hands. I will not
Dude, I can imagine
leave
watching
you in
TV.
this
Have
journey.
you seen it?
In this world of nothing. Hold hands. I will not leave you in this journey. In this world of nothing.
I was thinking eventually he'd get interested, like, what did I do now?
That you're alone.
What am I thinking then?
There's many girls that are more
Always being there. One with
I don't
you.
want to watch.
I am here. I am
Your house is right
here.
up from my house?
Hold hands. I will not leave you in this journey. In this world of nothing. Hold hands. I will not leave you in this. In this journey. In this world of nothing. In this world of nothing. This hold hands. Hold hands. Hold hands. In this world of nothing.
Sa mundong walang kawalan. World of nothing.
In this world of no letting go. Walang
Kawalan, walang viewers.
yeah, this world of no letting go.
Shine on, baby, smile, my only
Word of no letting go.
Smile, my only star.
Oh. her song.
Your
One of his first hits.
problems.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Where did he
you
write
have
that?
hard time
It
saying
was in the
that
movie.
you can't do it anymore.
Yeah, that's right, dude.
Just look at the sky. Maybe
Did we get there?
you'll see something
Really?
magical.
I haven't seen it.
The secret.
But I remember when I was, because I had to practice the other song.
Oh, extra like
I remember my
Love me, XOXO.
the iPhone I was using was
So
it was a video, so it was when he got music. My friend got posted.
Gossip Girl
And
here, your one and only source.
It was just it was like replaying. I had to replay it, and I didn't want to just like
Oo.
close it, so I'd watch the video.
Actually, ang
It'd be
masanta
Samuel
na
going like this, and then like it'd be like the girl over and over and saying,
Yung kasabot sa...
"Babe, I miss you. Babe, I miss you."
I love you. I miss you.
What was the movie that Sam Milby was in?
Yung fat siya.
Conte.
Sila ni Tony, right? Tony and Sam.
Talaga?
Oo.
Tony
My
yan?
big love.
Yeah,
My big love.
With
may big love ba yun?
with John Lloyd Cruz.
Lil B yung lalaki. Yung
May John Lloyd Cruz.
So lahat na lang na partner
Wala?
pwede?
Wala.
Lahat
Si
na lang
Tony
na-
and Sam.
Ilan ba lang tingin sa movie?
Cute yun, but I forgot
Tony.
the story.
Tony yan. That
yung
Tony.
lalaki niya talaga.
That Tony.
Yeah.
Uy, iba yung lalaki niya. Pero yung ano niya,
She was in a movie with Sam Milby.
Si Gerald and Kim. Silang dalawa lang talaga.
Pangarap na nais.
Eh si Sam ko. Sino-sino?
Pangarap namin. Ano? Ay, ano? Pangarap namin. Sa lahat ng gagawin.
Why am I beating myself up?
Ouch.
Kaya namin.
Sabihin mo, na kaya natin to.
But I did something. What did I do?
Ang Pinoy. Nananina.
When are you gonna tell me?
Pagbutihan mo.
Pagbutihan mo.
Pagkaka ng buong mundo.
Pinoy.
Go hands up.
Kamasta ang
Really?
Pinoy.
Put your hands
Kaya-kaya
up.
mo. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo.
Hindi yan.
No, the first.
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
Back in 5, 4,
No.
3,
Oh, the
2, 4, 5,
And now I'm back in house.
Hindi yun. Girl. That's
Each different. Iba't iba. Yeah, like all iba.
Cut the hair.
How did you know? One.
Different from each
How
did you know?
Did you anyone like that? Something like that?
Huwag kang magtatakot. You're not that
What?
Just guess.
scared.
What did you say?
I was surprised.
Simple. It's easy. Huwag kang. Huwag, don't.
Ew.
Ka.
Go.
Ka.
Then I can know.
Ikaw.
Wala na.
Huwag kang magtatakot.
Kira man, someone there.
Huwag kang don't become. Kasi, yeah, huwag kang maging